Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and today is mail call. I have some crochet to show you, and I have two cross stitch items to show you today. Today is a cold Sunday morning here in my neck of the woods in California. I'm on the Central Coast. I'm about 20 miles from the Pacific Ocean. And it is rainy today and cold, and I just came back in from taking care of all the sheep and all the outside animals. So I'm all bundled up and thought today would be a perfect day to do some videos. So I'm going to try to get several videos in today. So anyway, first one that I want to show you is from Debbie, the Canadian Crocheter. This is my third and final package from her. And she gave a 3-month subscription sort of package for a giveaway that she did probably 3-4 months ago, because this is my third package. So I'm going to show you what I got. First off, I got Loops and Threads Meandering Serpentine. Very pretty yarn. My mom loves this color, so I'm thinking about maybe making her something with it. Very soft. It's 243 yards, 3.5 ounces, and it's Meandering Serpentine. The colorway says Mylan Red on the back of it. So, very, very pretty. And then I got, from Loops and Threads, Swirl Pie. It's 5.2 ounces. Very, very soft. You can see the halo. Very soft, very pretty. Love the colors. And let me see. And then I've never seen these, but I'm very interested. I like to make amigurumi. And this is Red Heart amigurumi. Each one makes 2. So one of these cakes will make 2 of these amigurumi. And I'm very excited to use these. So I got that. And then there's this one with not unicorns, llamas. I think one might be a unicorn. Isn't that pretty? I love this color. So this is Red Heart amigurumi. And it says llama on the back of it, so it's llama. And what is this one? Say bird. Just bird. So I got those. Very excited to use those. And then she gave me some teas, herbal tea, and some chocolate, which me and my mom will be tasting very soon. So I got some of those, 2 packs of tea, and then some chocolates. And then I got a Croquet red heart. I'm probably not saying that right, but these are also my mom's colors. So, and I love the sparkle. I don't know if you can see, there is sparkle in this. So I don't know if you can see that or not. Let me see. It's fairy dust is what it's called. Very pretty. And then this is amazing. And inside she has knitting needles. And crochet hooks. Amazing. I love these, and I'm going to start working with these. These are amazing. They're so smooth. I got an H. I got a 10 millimeter, 7 millimeter, and a 5.5 millimeter. So, really excited about that. And then she gave me this Notions type bag that would be perfect to put crochet hooks in, or knitting needles in, or anything that's small, that's stitching related in any way could go in here. I love this. Perfect. And the fabric is llamas. Here's better. So nice. And then of course I got a card from her. Let me see if I can get it out. It's a little wiener dog with presents on the top of it. So cute. Adorable. And then I got another one of those Croquet red heart. These are a little darker color, but it still has the shimmer in it. Very, very pretty. I don't know if you can see the shimmer, but very, very pretty. And then I got a Retro Pop, cool little patch things, and Perfect cat. Is that not adorable? Love it. I used to have a black cat. Well, actually I've had two black cats. And one of my black cats had the tip of its tail about that far was white. It looked like it had dipped its tail in paint. So, perfect. And the last thing that I wanted to show that she got me was a mug. The mug got broken. I have already emailed her about this. I'm going to keep the mug because how it broke in one big section. So I am just going to glue it, and I am going to use it in my crafting corner whenever I get all of that taken care of over there. But I'm going to go ahead and show you. I have not glued it yet. It says "You do you." And as you can see, it just took just one big chunk. So it's not going to be hard to glue together, and it will be put to use. And inside she had more yarn in there. I have not taken it out because I just wanted to keep everything like this, so when I do take it out, I can go ahead and glue it. So I got that, love it, and that is it. So it was a great giveaway win. I totally enjoyed everything that I got from Debbie. There was things that I have never tried. The yarns, most all of the yarn I have not ever tried, and I probably never would have. Now I have it, and I will be able to use it. And anyway, thank you so much, Debbie, for giving me the opportunity to try different yarn that I had not tried. And everything that you gave me is amazing. So that was from Debbie. That was my third package from her. The next thing that I want to show would be cross stitch. I had won a giveaway on Instagram from Pat Schwartz, and she was giving away a butternut road pattern, and I really liked it. It kind of reminded me of the Raven, not the Raven Queen, so to say, with the dark colors, but there's a bird on this one. This is much lighter, but it just kind of reminded me of the Raven Queen, and I'm really enjoying stitching that. But anyway, I won the giveaway, and I just wanted to show you Butternut Road, and this is the one that I won. It was like what I'm saying about Raven Queen is it has the lady, this one has the white bird, the dove, and then behind is like what would be similar to what is behind the Raven Queen with the castle and all that. So that is a win from Pat Schwartz on Instagram. Go check her out. And the last thing that I got is from Stitchin Mommy. I had entered one of her giveaways. She was giving away some patterns, and I had won the Lavender and Lace Nantucket Rose, and this is a beautiful pattern. I have seen so many people that have stitched this, and it is beautiful. I know half stitch, cross stitch had stitched this, and very, very pretty. I'm very happy to have it. And on her little note, she likes cats. They have a cat, but her little note had a cat on it. So anyway, that is all I have for my mail call this month. I want to thank everybody so much for your continued support. I will be having more frequent videos now. My mom is much improved. She had cellulitis, which we are dealing with now, but that is even getting better now. So hopefully now she's kind of on the mend, and I can start getting back into making my videos like I was. But anyway, thank you all so much for continuing to stick with me, and I will see you all on my next video. Take care.